How to create a group, Facebook group. So in this video I'm going to be showing how you can create Facebook group. So the first step you want you to be doing is to go to the menu section. When you click on the menu section just below your screen, just click on that. When you click on the menu section, just click on where it says groups. So click on groups. When you click on groups, you're going to be seeing suggestion of group that Facebook is suggesting you should join. Ignore that. Go ahead and click on the plus button showing above the group page. So when you click on the group plus button, you're going to see where it says create a group. So click on that, create a group. So let's do that again, guys. Click on the plus button, click on where it says create a group. So go ahead and click that. When you click that, we're going to choose the privacy. So if you want public, anyone can see your group and join. If you want only members, so you can go ahead and do that. So click on that. Click on and write the name of your group. So let's go ahead and name this group app. So let's name this group app mistakes. Let's allow this group to be private, visibility hidden. So when you are done doing that, just go ahead and click on create. So your group is going to be created. It's going to take a while. So your group is already created, guys. So the next thing you can do is just to add people. If you don't want to add people, you can go ahead and upload pictures for the cover. So you can continue this later and click on this list. So that's how you can create a group, guys. If this video is helpful to you, go ahead and click on the like and subscribe button to help the channel. See you on the next one.